If you've ever wanted to write your own children's book with perhaps a picture of your child as the star of the show, now is the time you can do it. And the best part is you can actually publish it on Amazon and actually make money from that book. Because now with AI, with this tool called KDP Book Factory, what it is, it's a prompt to book. You can write your own book entirely and provide it, and then it will just organize it into pages, create all the imagery, and then you'll get a PDF file, which will be accepted to Amazon at the first try, by the way, and it will do all of this for you. Additionally, it provides you with a separate cover image file so that you can use that to publish to Amazon, and it creates this special KDP text file so you can fill this massive form that Amazon requires from you. Now, the news about this incredible software is that it now is compatible with OpenAI's latest model, which is Image 2.0, which basically means that the quality of each page that is created is so good that you won't even have to review the output that you've asked it to do for you. So basically, once it creates a page for you, you can literally click on it and you can see the kind of quality you can expect. Absolutely insane. Now, through the pages, the characters remain consistent because it uses something called a seed, and it also knows what it's created and generated already. And therefore, you won't get weird inconsistencies in between pages. So this is probably the all-in-one tool for Amazon KDP book writers. Let me just show you quickly the interface, how it looks. So I'm on the official website, Wake Up Tomorrow, with a published book on Amazon. And you could make royalties literally on a weekly or monthly basis where you and your children will continue to make monies from books that have been written. So as you can see, it literally creates any type of children's book, and it can actually create other types of books, like adult books, like recipe books, cookbooks, informational books, in fact, explanation books and education books. So it can actually create everything you can ask for. So this is how it looks. Now, the cost is $99 a month. Now, the reason why this is so worth it is because even though you pay that to use, you actually have digital assets on the internet made by AI working for you. So to download it, you just click on download. And there's actually another hidden cost, which they do mention. It's bring your own API key. KDP Book Factory uses your own API keys for image and text generation. So you're going to have to bring a Gemini API key and also a KDP API key. So that's two different API keys that you need. And those API keys are going to run and power your book factory. Now, the more books you make, the better. Because as with anything in life, succeeding is a numbers game. So the more books you create, the more likely you are to succeed. Now, for those of you who want another side income so that you can create and supplement your income, perhaps you're stuck financially, this could be a good way to go financially long term. Because if you make even one book that goes completely viral on Amazon KDP in the book market, and it gets amazing reviews because it's written by the best AI models in the world, you can expect to cover all of your expenses. So keep that in mind when thinking about whether to go down this route or not. See you in the next video, and bye for now.